ಕಟಿವರದ ಹಸ್ತವರು ವ್ಯೂಹ ವಕ್ಷಸ್ಥಲ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಕಟಾರಿ ಭೋಗ ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ನಾರಸಿಂಹ ಸುದರ್ಶನ ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ರತ್ನಾಭರಣ ಮುಕುಟ ಸೌಜನ್ಯಂ మధ్యరాత్రిలో the midnight of every day in Tirumala Kshetra Anadi Brahmadi Deva Darshanam also every day the Brahma Deva will come for the Madhyakala Archana. That is called the first Tirtham will be served by Brahma Tirtham, and also the first Darshana is called Vishwarupa Darshanam of Srinivasa Swami. Also Tirumala Hills every day the Nitya Kainkaryam happens for the Swamis. The small Murti, if you observe in front of the Swami's Tiruvadi, that is the small Murti is called Bhoga Srinivasa Swami, which means all the Bhogams, how many Tirupavada Seva and also Suprabhata Seva and also Sahasra Kalashabhishekam and Tomale and also 4 times of Naivedyam, everything will be performed from the Bhoga Srinivasa Swami and also Mola. But he is taking more of there are Panchamurti Darshanam in according to Srimad Vaikhana Sagama, 5 types of Bairam. Bairam means idols are there. One is the Dhruvamurti, Dhruvantu Grama Rakshardham Archanardhantu Kautakam. The second one is Kautakamurti, which means every day taking to the Nityarchana and also Kautakamurti, also Bali Bairam. We go all around the temple for the Baliharana each and every day. That Murti is the set of the Sridevi Bhudevi Sameta Srinivasa Swami is called Bali Bairam, and also Utsav Murti is for the procession, that is a different Murti. Every day the procession happened around the temple. That Bairam also there are 5 types of Dhruva, Kautuka, Utsava, Snapana, Bali Bairam. 5 types of set of the idols should be there, and also in the Tirumala Hills. As well in the Garbhalaya there is a Kodandarama shrines of Swami also there, and also the Panchamurti Darshanam is called Vishwarupa Darshanam in the early hours. First served the Brahma Tirtham, then Suprabhata Tirtham. Afterwards we are going to recite the Tirupavai last Pasra Vinniki Orvati Archana Nadakumbodhu Inniki Tirupavai padipom 29 days 30